these are pretty startling when you feel them. There's now a lot of people experiencing them on a pretty broad scale.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and get this video all charged up. Let's go ahead and get it, man. So let's get the video started. What's going on, Orange Crush? It's your boy Sam, man. Back with another amazing. Let's get it. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, today, man, we got some things going on. Some places that we got to be. First of all, we going to a Cars and Coffee real quick. Hit that up, man, you know what I'm saying? And then I need to go get my front windshield tinted, you know what I'm saying? Only for the banner pot, you know what I'm saying? Only for the banner pot. My Orange Crush 392 logo vinyl that I did on the back window, I'm gonna do one on the front window, but this will be a wet install. The last video I did with those with my stickers on the back window, that was a dry install. This will be a wet install. Shout out to my guy HTC Hellcat. He told me about it. I didn't know nothing but no wet install. I didn't know that. You know what I'm saying? I'm just slapping it on there. So I want to try the wet install this time. See how that turns out. You know what I'm saying? He has a video on it, which was perfect. So I'm gonna follow that video, see how it is, see how it works out for me. Hope that I get the same results that he got. And I'm gonna take y'all with me today. Let's go ahead. Let's get this thing started, man. Boom. All right, guys, we are en route right now to go to Cars and Coffee, bruh. You know what I'm saying? But first, we have to go hit Starbucks. You know what I'm saying? Not for coffee. But mom, what do you want?
I want Starbucks. I want some tea.
Tea? Green tea?
No.
Blue tea?
Oh my goodness.
What kind of tea?
Orange Crush tea.
Orange. You're gonna get that Orange Crush Street. Oh.
Oh my gosh.
You see the gear on me. You see the chain hanging. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see Ren and Stimpy. Y'all see the Rugrats. Y'all see Caddo. The best. Don't get away. Nah, I'm joking. My chain ain't showing. That chain ain't showing. I gotta be, you know what I'm saying? That chain ain't showing. Y'all already know that chain got to be showing, bro. Hold on, let me see that earring over there. Oh, snap. Look at that earring, Baba. You know what I'm saying? It's a little chilly out here, man. You know what I'm saying? It's a little chilly. I had to throw in a jacket, boy. I ain't trying to even get Corvette a chance. Hey, you can't give Corvette a chance. Hey, you better try to get Corvette a chance. Now he get in there now. He will get in there. You can't give Corvette a chance, man. So I ain't trying to do that. You know what I'm saying? So what is that blue thing right there? Is that my shirt? I'm riding around with my shirt.
Sorry.
Man, that shirt in my video. Cut! We about to turn into Starbucks right now, ladies and gentlemen. We about to turn into Starbucks. Let me show you all our Starbucks down here. Hold on. Yes, sir! Starbucks! Get that early Starbucks meal, boy.
I want a honey citrus mint tea.
She wants a honey citrus mint tea. Have you guys ever heard of that before? Does it taste good? You know what I'm saying? Honey, what?
Citrus mint tea.
Honey citrus mint tea. Hey guys, go ahead and try that, man. You know what I'm saying? Let me know if it's good, because I ain't trying it.
And
And she want a slice of pumpkin loaf. I'm not quick. I think I had a piece of that. Go ahead and order this food real quick. You know what I'm saying?
Thank you for choosing Starbucks. What can I get started for you today?
I know I've been forgetting. Mom, what do you get?
a honey citrus mint tea.
Yes, can I have a honey citrus mint tea?
What size?
Medium.
A medium.
Okay, anything else I can get for you?
Mulberry biscuit.
No, babe, a slice of pumpkin loaf.
And a slice of pumpkin loaf.
Did you want that one?
Oh, yes.
Got you. Anything else I
No, that's it.
Have a nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, that's how you supposed to order, man. You know what I'm saying? Then when you get to the renter, then you get free stuff. You know what I'm saying? It's like, boy, Starbucks don't get nothing for free, boy. Jacket on my bed. Sorry, y'all. Excuse me. Oh, what man doing on the floor? Why you stepping on my mask?
Say, no, I'm not stepping on your mask. It must
Ah.
have failed.
Hey, look at that, look. Oh, no, man. Why pulling up big cash this morning?
I need you to put some down.
Huh?
You got some ones? I didn't want to. You got some. Thank you, man.
You don't even think I was gonna make up our breakfast, right? Not on my watch.
But you can give me that back, though.
Sorry. Oh man. You caught me. You caught me. I was gonna try to sneak that 5 under y'all. You know what I'm saying? Well, what we got here? We're pulling out the big. Oh, we're pulling out the big 20s. Let's get it. You know what I'm saying? Oh, look at my chain all twisted, man. What's good? You give me some change? Change?
No,
Oh, you
you
didn't give
know.
me. Oh, let me show you.
Do not.
Huh?
You know I do that. I try to have the exact change.
She always trying to have the exact change, everybody. Always trying to, sir, it'll be $6.92. Bro, don't you know that she trying to pull out 92 cents? Oh, gosh.
Really?
And then she just steady counting right there. 35, 67, 72, 83. Hi, how you doing?
I'm amazing. How are you?
It's a blessing to be me.
I hear that. It is a breathing.
There you go. She's amazing. Be on camera.
This tea is.
Be quiet, be quiet.
This tea is.
Mom, we don't want them to know that we on camera.
Maybe they'll subscribe.
Access.
1291.
I got a question.
What's up?
Do you believe in Orange Crush?
You gotta believe in Orange Crush.
Yes.
Hell yeah. Who doesn't? Orange Crush.
Well, I'm telling you, subscribe to the channel then. If you believe.
You got the medicine ball.
The medicine.
Yeah, that hot. It's a hot tea, right?
Yes.
The honey citrus mint. Okay.
Yes.
Oh, okay. I didn't know it had a name.
Do you believe in the medicine ball? There you go. Have a wonderful
Thank
day,
you.
Okay.
All right.
Be safe.
Hey, one day subscribe to that channel right there.
Look it up, though.
All right, there you go.
If it's any good,
Oh,
we'll see. Okay.
No, you did it.
Daddy, you about to hit the old people. You want a piece?
See, that's how Orange Crush goes through all the lines. We get what?
One piece?
Let me see that. Oh. My beard
I got it.
is infected.
Daddy!
My beard is infected.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, why going?
Wait, let me.
Let's get some air in here. Just a little bit. You know what I'm saying? You gotta have that sunroof in there. You know what I'm saying? Cock that pit a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Get it?
What?
Cock that pit. What the? Everybody going?
Say,
All right, guys, we just left Cars and Coffee. They had a pretty good turnout out there. You know what I'm saying? I couldn't get the video the way I wanted to take the video and all that kind of stuff. I just got confused out there. But I'm gonna show y'all some clips, photos, and like little snippets of what I got. You know what I'm saying? So Y'all go ahead and take a look at that. I'll be right back. It looks good though.
Yeah, it does. It's clean, Shelby.
Alright guys, now that Cars and Coffee is over, we need to go get my window tinted in the front. We're gonna go to the window shop, get with Aaron, he gonna install that for us, and then we gonna head back to the house so we can install that Orange Crush 392 YouTube logo across the front window so that they can see me coming instead of just seeing me from the back. You know what I'm saying? Y'all need to see me coming. Oh, who that is? Oh, who that is? That's Orange Crush 392, baby, in your face. Turn on the camera as soon as I get to the window tinting shop. Let's go get it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the tint is installed. Turned out wonderful, perfect as always, you know what I'm saying? All right, you know what I'm saying? Let's head to the house. Let's go get this vinyl installed because I'm excited the way how this about to look. And plus, I want to try out this wet install anyway that HTC Hellcat told me about. Interested in this, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna holler at y'all when I get back to the house, man. Get it. All right, everybody, listen, man, I did not get a chance to install a vinyl yesterday, but today we will be installing it. You know what I'm saying? I know it's gonna look good. I know it's gonna look good. You know what I'm saying? This is the wet install. I'm a little excited about doing this, man. You know what I'm saying? I look like I'm in a nature. All right, guys, listen. There's a big brown bear back there. It's a big brown bear back there. Okay. What we're gonna do, we're gonna sneak up on it. We're gonna jump on that vine. We're darn sure gonna swing on it and jump on its back. Okay, I'm joking. Ain't no bear back there. You know, my vines, sorry. I don't even know why I say that. All right, listen. Let's go ahead and get this vinyl installed, man. We already know what time it is, man. Let's go ahead and install this thing right now. Let's get it. All right, guys, you guys are all set up. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and clean the surface. I already done cleaned the whole window. So I'm just clean the surface off. Clean the surface, this thing. Get it all nice. Get it all clean through. Yes, sir! Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and spray it with that. Gimme. We're gonna go ahead and spray it with that. Gimme. Gimme good. I'm saying, don't be scared of it. Make things slide around a little bit. Hey, yo, HTC Hellcat, yo, this is way better. I felt like I had way more control on this. So, I appreciate that, brother. Appreciate it. Okay, it should look good, man. It should turn out good. Y'all, hold on. Let me go mount y'all up one more time. Ha! All right, guys, the vinyl is installed, man. Oh, it looks so good. I love it. I love it. Turned out amazing. I believe that wet install is the way to go. So, if anybody's doing vinyl, do the wet install, man. You can like move things around, man. You know what I'm saying? And it turned out real good for you. You know what I'm saying? So, we already know what time it is, man. Let's go take a look at it right now. Let's get it.